So you're trying to get paid on YouTube, but you don't have 1,000 subs? Don't worry, I got you covered. I got a handful of ways to make money here on YouTube without having 1,000 subscribers so that you don't need that Google AdSense. So what you need to do, first, you need to make a viral video. How do you do that? You say, Leroy, how do I make a viral video? Easy. What do people like? They like animals. Cows, cats. That's what you do. And hey, just go out and record your cows, record your cats. You know, so watch, here we go. Let's see what we got going on here. There's the cows. Now we just need to get them to do something to be a viral video. Hey, do something, you're on camera. That's Jack right there. Call him Jack-o'-lantern. Why? Because just like a jack-o'-lantern, you know, there's light behind the eyes, but his head's empty. And the one with the white face, that's Pooper. That's pretty self-explanatory. All right, do something. Come on, make me a viral video. Yeah, not quite working. Okay, so that's a bust. What do we do next? Find the cat. Everybody likes cats. Cat videos. Boom. And there's the cat. Cows don't want to do anything? Get the cat to do something viral for you. Hey, cat. What are you doing? That is not... well, maybe. Do something so we can get a viral video. Hey, Merlin. Yeah, meowing's not going to work. People can look at a cat's meowing all the time. Yeah, you're not going to do anything for me, are you? Are you going to do a trick? Come on. Come on. Lay there. All right, talk. Oh, good job. Roll over. Good job. Roll over. Meow. Come on, talk to me. So obviously, a viral video with the cows and the cat is a bust. So I know what you're saying. Leroy, my cows won't do anything. My cat won't do anything. What do I do? Well, good thing I got you covered. So I got 4 ways that you can make money on YouTube having a small channel. Number 1, referral links. So for starters, anything that you have that you use most likely has a referral link. You know, so in the description box below, what I do is I put referral links, and these could be anything from you know, my cat. No, not my cat. My cat is not a referral link. He wants to be on camera. But it's anything from, say, coupons. Ow, he's biting me. Now you want to be on camera and you want to do stuff? Oh, you bit me. See, what did I say? Get your ass. Is this gonna go viral now? Little vicious little bastard. Go ahead and attack me again. See what happens. Okay, so we're going back. Referral links. So, yeah, get down. You, what? What? Go kill something. Round. Oh, stop. You're gonna jump at me, aren't you? I see it already. Okay, referral links. Hopefully the cat's done trying to attack me. Referral links. So I use stuff like Fetch Rewards. I use Receipt Hog. I use Ibotta. My brokerage accounts that I have, you know, my stocks and stuff like that in. You know, M1, Robinhood. These will all give you free stocks or free money to be invested into your account. So that's one way to make money, is use those referral links. And some referral links that after so much they'll give you cash. You know, you might get money each referral. So there's that. Now, number 2, it's an affiliate links. You know, so you've got like Amazon affiliates, which is called Amazon Associates. Super simple to use. Amazon Associates, you use your YouTube channel as your website, and you are able to put links down in the description of your YouTube videos. And if people click on those links, then it sends them over to YouTube, and they don't necessarily have to buy what the link is. And with Amazon, the nice thing is anything they buy within, I believe, 24 hours, you get a commission for. So there's that. And then other companies, I want to say Tractor Supply offers an affiliates link. I was going to look into that. That was something I wanted to look into. So you have other things. If there's a product you use, a service that you use, there's a good chance that there's an affiliate link for it. Number 3, sell products that you make online. Like, one of the things that I'm going to start doing is I'm going to do videos of some of the stuff that I make. Maybe I can sell it online. You know, my brother does metal art. One of these days, once he gets his stuff back up and running, I'm going to put his art on my channel, and that's a good way for him to make money online. A lot of people don't like going through Etsy because Etsy has fees, and you can basically bypass the fees by using, say, YouTube in conjunction with maybe Facebook Messenger, or Instagram, and that way you can use the DMs, and you can use your Instagram account along with your YouTube account and use that to advertise the products, the crafts that you're making, and that way you bypass Etsy, and everything goes right to you. I mean, you can use Cash App, Venmo, any number of apps, PayPal, to get paid, and then you just mail it to the person. So there's that. And then the last one I seen, and this was really slick. I thought this one was pretty, it was thinking outside the box. So the number 4 one is online auctions. Now, the first time I seen these online auctions, I seen people that they make their own jewelry, or they buy jewelry at, say, yard sales, and then they'll do a live stream on YouTube, and they'll have an auction. And it's, I mean, you're gonna, obviously it's up in the air whether the people send you the money or not, but obviously you're gonna get the money before you send the item. But I mean, I had never thought of that. I mean, just having a live stream auction, and they do it right there. You know, it's like, hey, this is what I have, this is what I'm selling, this is the starting bid, and it's just like an auction. They're pretty fun to watch, and I've seen all kinds of stuff get auctioned. I've seen, you know, crafts, I've seen jewelry, I've seen, you know, just about anything. I see if you can sell it online, there's people that are willing to buy it. So those are my 4 tips, that if you've got a small channel, how to get around not having the 1,000 subs and not having the 4,000 watch hours. So there you go. 1, referral links. 2, affiliate links. 3, sell your crafts, your items that you make online and bypass Etsy. And 4, live stream auctions. There you go. None of that requires 1,000 subs or 4,000 watch hours. So, all right, everybody, if you've got any ideas for how to make money on YouTube without having the YouTube partner, leave them down in the description link below, or leave them down in the comments below, so that we all can learn from each other. And all right, everybody, keep thinking outside the box, keep hustling, have a good one.